New Year's resolutions. Well, we're 2 weeks in. How you doing? How many did you make? How many did you keep? New Year's resolutions fail for most of us because it's hard. Change is hard. But we know if you keep doing what you've always done, you're going to get what you've always got. So what does starting change in your life look like? What if you looked at starting a life change as just a simple step? What if the first step of getting up earlier was simply sitting up in bed and taking those first few steps to the shower? Life change seems easier when you look at it as making a simple choice. And simple choices lead to new habits. We all have a choice to make. A choice to transform our life for the better. A choice to transform who we are into who we could be. A commitment to be the person God intended you to be. What if your simple choice could change not only you, but your family, your community, and even your world? The Bible says in Romans, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." That is the heart behind our upcoming all-church series, Transformed. Transformed is a series that will affect 7 essential areas in your life: spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, relational, financial, and vocational. Each week we'll focus on one of those areas and help create a plan, guidance, and a support team to take your simple choice to change and turn it into a habit that will affect the rest of your life. Make your first simple choice to join us for this 7-week series starting February 7th. All it takes is making this commitment and then watch what God will do.